ಗೈಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಆಡೋಣ RC24 ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ 24 ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೀಗ.
A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we're sure it's going to be a very high intensity game.
ಪಿಚ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Greetings everyone. We have both the captains and the match referee for the toss.
Edits call Edits team ಅಂತವರು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand up for the national anthem.
First bowling.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೌಲಿಂಗಿಗೆ.
Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation.
ಮೊದಲ ಬಾಲ್ಗೆ 50 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 50 ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಜಯಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Edge, but lands in the no man's land and deserved the wicket there.
ಇದು ಡಾಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
The captains have been very smart with the bowling changes. Good shot for a single.
Single run.
Excellent running between the wickets. Turned away for a single.
Single run.
I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch.
Oh shit.
Very good running between the wickets.
No ball iವಾಗ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
Bowler is overstepped, no ball.
ಬಾಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈ ಬಾಲ್
Batsman all set to cash in on this free hit. Beautiful strike by the batsman. That's for more.
ಒನ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಜಾರ್
Get your favorite medium chicken Dominator pizza.
ಸರಿ ಏನೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ
Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single.
wicket
Directed as the batsman one should never take on his arm. They need more boundaries now to make up for the slow start. Very good running between the wickets. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. He's single there, good running. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Well placed into the gap, possible too.
ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಿದೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೀಚರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಗುರು ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಗೇಮಲ್ಲೂ ಕೈಯ ಲೇಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಗುರು
Last ball coming up. High on the bat, and it's a good wicket for the bowler. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest.
Get your favorite medium pepperoni pizza at just rupees 300.
ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ ಇದು ಏನೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹಂಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ರನ್ ಬೇಕು ಬೆಳಕ್ಕೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಓಪನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ
The field inside looks warmed up and ready to go.
Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in.
ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Pace bowler into the attack.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಡ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 25 ವಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 134 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಟಸ್
Bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings.
Well bowled past the edge of the bat. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line with the ball. Great shot, misses it and penetrates the gap for 4.
Do not miss out on those.
Carved away through the gap for 4, and that is smart batting.